Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, June the 12th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to talk about what we just did yesterday. We did something a little different yesterday. And if you've already seen the So Chatty episode, you'll know what that is. We have some other things to show you, to tell you about, and we're starting the process of doing a major home renovation, and I am sure that's going to bring a lot of hell into our lives, not to mention expense. So we'll tell you about our plans that revolve around that as well today. And of course, we always get off topic and talk about whatever. So if you're interested in talking about whatever, then join us this afternoon at 4 p.m., June the 12th, Eastern Standard Time. That was out of order. And, well, that's just a reflection of what the whole broadcast could be like today. Okay, I'm rambling. I'm going. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.